I'm back. For this video, you'll need a ball of some kind. Make sure it bounces. And if you don't have one, you can pause now and go get a ball. It doesn't matter how big it is. You can use like a little tennis ball or a big basketball or one of those playground balls. So pause now if you don't have one and go get one. Okay, so I hope you're back with me. But before we start our bouncing the ball, let's do a little echoing, okay? I have my screen on here. And I'm going to make this a little bigger there. And can you be my echo member? So's hand sounds like this and me sounds like this. Be my echo. So, me, so, me. Good job. Now wait till I'm done. So, me, so, me. Me, so, so. So, me, so, me. So, me, so, me. That's a hard one. Let me try that again. Do you know the mystery song, by the way? Echo me, and then we'll talk about the mystery song. So, me, so, me. Does anyone know that mystery song? Here's a hint. You did it with Mrs. Spiritual last week. Come back home, my little chicks. Does anyone get it? Good for you. Okay, so now I know some first graders have learned a third pitch, right? They learned the high, low, but not all the first graders learned it. So we're not even going to practice it on these distant learning plans. We'll review it first thing in second grade. Everyone will learn it and we'll be on the same page for now, okay? So let's go to our second page and let's review this song. Bounce high, bounce low, bounce the ball to Shiloh. Pass it here, pass it there, pass it to the center chair. Now you can't really see me, but I'm keeping the beat on my lap. It's just the video doesn't go down there. So I'm going to keep it up here. Would you keep the beat somewhere on your body? You can keep it on your legs like we do in music class. You can keep it on your head. Just don't hit too hard, right? You can keep it, I don't know, wherever you want. You can stomp it if you want, but I'm going to keep it here just so you can see it, okay? Ready, sing with me. Bounce high, bounce low, bounce the ball to Shiloh. Pass it here, pass it there, pass it to the center chair. Do you remember what Shiloh means? It's a little boy's name. And you remember in our class, what we do with this game? I bounce the ball to someone in the circle and they bounce it back to me. And then the fourth person gets to shoot the ball in the basket. You remember that? I'm sorry that we can't play this game together, but we can kind of play it in a minute with our bouncy ball. Okay, pick one more spot to keep that steady beat. I'm going to keep it on my head this time. Ready, here we sing. Bounce high, bounce low, bounce the ball to Shiloh. Pass it here, pass it there, pass it to the center chair. Good job. All right, now this is the time for the ball. So go ahead and grab your ball. Here's what we're going to do. I think I'm going to angle this a little bit so you can see. I'm going to bounce it and then catch it to the beat. So it's going to be like this. Bounce, catch, bounce, catch, bounce, catch. It matches our beat. It's bounce, catch, bounce, catch. Do you see that? So first, before I even start the song, I'm just going to practice bouncing and catching to a steady beat. Bounce, catch, bounce, catch, bounce, catch, bounce, catch. Now this ball, I feel like I have to kind of give it some power behind my bounce so that it can linger in the air so I can catch it on the beat. This is actually kind of hard to do. Bounce, catch. And if I had a bigger ball, it might be easier because then you could use two hands. Bounce, catch, bounce, catch, bounce, catch. So it's going to look like this. I'll sing the song with you. Bounce high, bounce low, bounce the ball to Shiloh. Pass it here, pass it there, pass it to the center chair. You want to try it with me? It's kind of tricky to do. In fact, if you have a little ball, you might want to pause the video and go get a bigger ball. I think the ball would be easier to catch and bounce like that, like we do in the classroom. We use that big playground ball. Okay, let's try it again. Are you ready? Bounce it and then catch it. Ready? Good job. And you know what? The cool thing about these videos is that you can always rewind and practice some more if you want to. You are free to watch this video as many times as you want, which is kind of cool about these recorded videos. So you can practice bouncing the ball in time with this beat with me to help you along in our videos. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is we are going to, oh, I can't do that. Awesome. We're going to play a little, oh, well, you walk and you walk. So make sure you put your ball away and you get up and you have plenty of room to move around and get ready. All right. Oh, well, you walk and you walk and you walk and you stop. And I know some of you are asking, can we play the real game? Well, it's kind of hard for me to tell if you're moving and how it when we're on our video, isn't it? So you'll just have to kind of play by yourself. Oh,